Hey guys, Chris again, ClassicVWBugs.com, and what we have here on the table are my 356 Porsche Coupe engine bay insulation tarboards in the waffle pattern. You guys know that I sell this kit for Beetle and Carmen Gia. So let's go over here. This is what it's like in a Beetle. Really makes the engine bay pop, gives us some nice contrast in the back, and it's got a waffle pattern, which is kind of reminiscent of what they had optional back then. I've seen different tarboards in the past for the original Beetles. So it is pliable, it's durable. You can actually install this in a Beetle with the engine in the car since it is bendable. But now I have it for Porsche and for 356. So love to see what you guys think of this. Chris at ClassicVWBugs.com, and that's it. See you later.